Good morning, students. Welcome to the EVS class of class 1. I am Ruksar and I am here once again back for the video number 2 of EVS, and today we will start the chapter number 2 of EVS. So before that, I hope all are fine. Okay, so now before starting the chapter, do you remember something about the first chapter what we have done in the earlier class? Yes. Okay, what was the name of the chapter? My family was the first chapter. So what is a family? Before that I will ask a question that what is a family? Take a time. Yes, a family is a group of people who are related with each other, okay, such as mother, father, brother and sister. Okay, so my next question is that what were the types of family? Tell me, how many types of families were there? Correct. There were three types of families. What were they? Small or nuclear family, big or joint family, and a single parent family. So can you explain me that what are the different types of families with an example? I have already given you in the previous class. Okay, let's do the recap. Okay, in the small or nuclear family, I have given you the example of Arun that he lives in a nuclear family, and in his family there is a father, mother, brother and sister. Okay, and in the bigger joint family, Meena lives with his family, and in his family, in her family, she has father, mother, uncle, aunt, grandmother, grandfather and their children. So she has a very long family with 8 members. So it's a big or joint family. Single parent family, I have already given you the example of Alex, that Alex either live with his father or with his mother. So only with one parent he is living. So it is called a single parent family. So students, these were the topics which I have discussed you in the previous class. Now today in this video number 2 I will teach you about the second chapter, and the chapter name is My Neighborhood. So before starting this chapter, can you tell me that what is a neighborhood? Think and tell me what do you mean by neighborhood? Yes, exactly. See, we all live in a house. You also live in a house. I also live in a house. So, people who live near our house is our neighbors. What? Say again. People who live near our house is our neighbors. And our neighbors and places around our house is together they form a neighborhood. Okay, so to make it more clear, I will give an example. Okay, suppose Pooja lives in Delhi in a calm and friendly neighborhood, and many families live each other is a neighborhood. Okay, so one more thing, the most important thing about the neighbors is that neighbors play an important role in our life. You know that? What are the important roles they play in our life? First, good neighbors makes our life happy. Okay? Second, we should always help each other. Like you, that small children, you all are small children. Okay? So you all help each other whenever you need a help. Yes, like that also we should always help our neighbors. We should also share our things with our neighbors. Okay, and we should always talk politely with our neighbors. Okay, so these were the four important roles which they play in our life. Next, one more question I want to ask you something. Okay, so can you tell me children that what are the things which you find near your neighborhood? Tell me. What do you find near your neighborhood? Yes, in our neighborhood, we find shops, buildings, and what? Shops, buildings, and houses. Yes. So, our neighborhood has many services. Our neighborhood has many services that makes our life more comfortable or more easy. And that are the places in neighborhood, and they are called the places in neighborhood. What are the places in neighborhood we have? Okay, so in the places of neighborhood is the second topic that we are going to read in this chapter, my neighborhood. So what are the places? Okay, number one is school. Number two is market. Number third is park. Number four is hospital. Number five is police station. Number six is post office. Number seven is fire station. And the last one is bank. So how many places in neighborhood are there? 8 places of neighborhood. So all the 8 places in neighborhood we will deal in details. So students, you know what is a school? Yes, you come to school, you go to school, but now due to the lockdown, you are staying at home with safe. So, but very soon we will meet together. Okay, so can you tell me what is a school? Okay, yes, school is a place where we come, learn, read, write, and study and also play. What other things do you do in the school? Yes, you play with your friends. You share your things with your friends and also you learn many things from the school. Okay, and there are also many places in the school because the school is very big. So in the very big school, there are different places in the school now, right? Okay, so what are the places? The places is classroom where you come to school, sit in the classroom. There are many desks and chairs. You sit in the classroom and study. Second is library. What is there in the library? The library is also a room where you go and there are many story books which you will read that with fun and you will enjoy reading the story books. Then the next one is, what is the next one? Next one is music room. Music room, you go to the music room, you learn many songs, you want to sing a song and try to play the music instruments. Okay, and the next one is computer room. What you do in computer room? There are many different computers in the table. That is a computer lab and in that you go and learn new things in the computer. Okay, do you learn now? Yes. So, and the next one is sick room. What to do in the sick room? Suppose you got hurt in your hand or in your leg. So, and if you are not well, what to do? You will go in the sick room. There is a bed lying there. You go and lying there and you feel better. Okay. So, these was about the school. Next one is about market. What is a market? For example, I tell you, if you want to buy a doll, if you want to buy a remote car, what you will do? From where you will buy this? Say, you will buy now? Yes. So from where you will buy these? You will buy from the market. Correct. You will buy all these things from the market. So a market is a place where you buy things or our daily needs like milk, eggs, jam or bread. We also buy our new clothes and you also buy your soft toys. Okay, so market is also is a place. Third one is park. Now children, have you all gone to a park? Yes? Okay, what you do there? You play now? Okay, you play there, you enjoy very much. So same way, a park is also a place where you all go, small children go and play there. Okay, and you play with your friends, you enjoy a lot. And you know one thing, there is also a slide. You go there, there are swings, slides, and there's also a seesaw. You enjoy very much. Not only the small children, but the big children also go there and big people also go there for the morning walk. They do their exercises and the jogging and all. Okay, so the next one is hospital. Okay, what is a hospital? Tell me, what is a hospital? Why you go to the hospital? Say yes, absolutely correct. Why do we go to hospital? When we fall ill, okay, when we are having any cough and cold, we go to the hospital. And do you know which people are there in the hospital? Tell. Yes, doctors and nurses. Doctors and nurses are there who work in the hospital. And to make you better, what they give you in return? Medicines. Very good, children. You are so intelligent students. Yes. So the doctors gives you the medicine so that you will be well. After that, there is a police station. Okay, what is a police station? Are you feeling are afraid of police? No, you should not, because police only catch those people who have done something wrong. You should not be scared with the police. Okay, so a police station is a place where police officers work. Okay, and what is the role of police officers? Police officers catch the rob thieves who has done something wrong or who is stealing something. So it helps to make our neighborhood safe. Okay. Next is post office. So what is there in the post office, children? Have you seen a letter box there? Have you seen a letter box? Yes. What is the color of the letter box? Red. And in the letter box, there is an open mouth in which you drop the letter inside, and the postman comes and collects all the letters and delivers the letters to us. Okay, so a post office is also a place where we put the letters and drop the letters in the letter box, and the postman collects and delivers the letters to us. Okay, next is fire station. Don't be scared with the fire. Have you seen a fire? Where you have seen? Yes? Okay. When your mother cooks the food in the kitchen, have you seen the fire in the burner? Yes. Yes, there is a fire. Be careful with the fire, okay? And see, in many other buildings outside in the houses or buildings, some fires are there in the houses. So what to do? We call the fire station, and the firefighters come with the fire engines, and there is a water tank. They hose the pipe from the fire engine and put out the fire, and the fire stops. Clear? Next is bank. What do you do with the bank? What is a bank? A bank is a place where we deposit the money, or in the other easy sentence you can say you pay the money into the bank. Clear? So students, these were the 8 places in neighborhood. Okay, now I will come to read you about from the book. We will read the story. Okay. Students, this is your EVS book and of class 1, and this is the second chapter, My Neighborhood. So in this chapter we will see that I connect is there. Help Nitya to find a way to each play these places. She is Nitya and the different places are there. You have to find the way and reach till the places. Okay? Next one is our neighborhood. What is a neighborhood? As I have already said in this demonstration, that neighborhood, we live in a house. The area around our house is called our neighborhood. People who live in the neighborhood are called neighbors. Okay, see this picture? What are this in this picture? There is a building, the police, there is a small market, there is a park. So all are near the houses only, and this is called a neighborhood. Our neighborhood often has other houses, hospitals, markets, parks, schools, a police station, fire station, and a post office. Okay, and this is the checkpoint which you will do. Okay, now the area around our house is called our neighbors or neighborhood. You will do it, take the correct answer. The people who live around us are called neighborhood or neighbors. Okay. Next are the places in neighborhood. As I have told that there are 8 places in neighborhood. What are those? School. A school is a place where we learn to read, write, draw and paint. We make friends in school. We learn to share our things with others. See the picture of school? There is a school building and the bus is there. The children are going to the school. we sit in classroom. See the picture also. The teacher is teaching and the children are sitting in the classroom. Classroom have desks and chairs for us to sit. A library. See the number of books. See the library. There are many numbers of books. Is a place where books are kept. We can sit and read books there. Okay. There is a playground. See the playground where the children are playing and enjoying themselves with the friends, where we exercise and play with our friends. A computer room. See how the children are sitting in the picture and doing something, learning something new in the computer. Has many computers and we go there to learn new things on a computer. Okay. Next is we go to a music room. See the music room? To learn music, play musical instruments and sing songs. Next is a medical room, or we can also call the sick room. We go to the medical room when we feel sick or hurt themselves. Okay, children? Now this is the true false. You have to see and do it. Okay? Next one is market. A market is a place from where we buy things. But there are many shops in the market that sell fruits, clothes, shoes and toys. See the picture of market? There are many fruits selling now. The people are going and buying the fruits. Yes, this is a park. A park is a grassy land where we go to play. It has slides, swings and seesaws. People walk, exercise and jog in the park. See the picture of park. How the children are playing and enjoying with the ball. See, one squirrel is also there. Yes. Okay. Now see. Fill in the blanks is there. We go to a dash to buy things. There are seesaws, dash and slides in a dash. A market has many dash. You have to do it, okay, on your own. Hospital. A hospital is a place where sick people are treated. I told you now, two people are there in the hospital. Who are they? Doctors and nurses work there. They give medicine and take care of sick people. See the picture of city hospital. The doctors and nurses are there and the sick people are going inside the city hospital. See, you know children, what is this? This is the ambulance. Very good. An ambulance is used to carry sick or injured people to the hospital. Okay. Now, we will move ahead with the fire station. Fire station, when a fire breaks out, we call the fire station for help. Firefighters come to our help in the fire engines. A fire engine has a water tank and hose pipes to put out fires. Say this picture that this is a fire station and this is a firefighters and the fire engines has came and they are hosing the pipes to put the fire out. Okay. See the true false. Sick people are taken to the hospital. It is true or false? Firefighters and nurses work in a hospital. A fire engine has a water tank and hose pipes. Police station is the next. A police station is a place where police officers work. They keep the neighborhood safe by catching robbers and thieves. See the picture of police station. There is a jeep and two police officers. Okay. Post office. Post office is a place where we go to post letters. See the letter? How is the letter looking like? Or parcels. We can drop letters in the letter box. I have told now this is the letter box. See the red color letter box and the girl is dropping the letter inside the letter box. We can also buy stamps. From there, a post carrier delivers letters or parcels to us. See the meaning of delivers? To hand over a letter or parcel to the proper address. Okay, see this is the picture of post office where there is a letter box. The last one is bank. A bank is a place where we go to withdraw or deposit money. Okay, what is the meaning of withdraw? See in the word body, to take money from the bank, and deposit money that we pay into a bank. Okay. Some people keep their costly items such as jewelry. This is the picture of box. People also keep the costly items like jewelry. Okay. See now. Circle the correct answer. Police officers, doctors protect us and keep us safe. You will think and select, circle the correct answer. Who protect us from safe? Okay. We can buy stamps, pencils from a post office. From where we buy, you have to think and circle. We go to deposit money in a office or bank. You have to think and choose the correct answer. Next one is people who help us. See, those people who help us are, there are some people in our neighborhood who help us. First one is a sweeper. Have you seen the picture sweeper? See, very clearly it's given now. A sweeper keeps the road clean. A teacher teaches us to read and write. See the picture of the teacher, how the teacher is teaching and the students are listening very quietly. A doctor treats us when we fall ill. See the picture of a doctor. Yes. A police officer catches robbers and keeps the neighborhood safe. See the picture of police officer. Okay. Now, children, Now, children, have you read this books? Have you read the story? Now we will move ahead with the notes. So, I request you, all the children, to please open your notebooks and please copy down what it is written in the board. Okay? So, as I have already told you that this was chapter number 2, My Neighborhood. Okay? And this is video number 2. As I have already told, what is a neighborhood? We live in a house. People who lives near our house is our neighbors. Our neighbors and places around our houses, together they form neighborhood. So please copy down clearly and write in any copy. If you are having any old or new one, you can write in your notebook. Now children, we have seen that we have read about the neighborhood and neighbors. See the chart of neighborhood. Our neighborhood is having how many places? School, market, hospital, park, bank, okay, fire station, police station, post office. Once again I am repeating. School, market, hospital, park, bank, fire station, police station and post office. Please note down these places in your copy. Note down. Okay children, so here I have given you some homeworks. Please note down in your notebook. What is the homework? Name the place where you go to. You have to name the places where you have to go to. What is there number 1? When you are sick. Which place you go when you are sick? You have to write the name of the place. Next, play and exercise. Where do we play and exercise? You have to write the name of a place. Study and learn. Where do you go to study and learn? Fourth, buy stamps. Where do we buy stamps? 5. Complain about a robbery. Where do we complain about a robbery? All the blanks you have to write the name of the places. Okay. And there is also a small activity. What is a small activity? By doing this activity, you can take the help of the parents. We should not pluck flowers. Yes, it is absolutely correct that we should not pluck flowers, because if we pluck, it will not go. The plant will not look good without the flowers. So we should not pluck flowers. You have to make a sign. Do not pluck flowers on a piece of chart paper. Okay? Understood? Now children, please note down clearly so that you can do it as a homework. Okay? Now, okay now children, you have copied the homework. Now, I lastly conclude that in this topic, I have read about neighborhood. Whatever I have taught in this class, you please go through and revise and please sincerely do your homework and enjoy at home. Okay? Bye bye students.